Hi, so today I am at the AGAM Robotics and I am with the founder, Mr. Karthik Rangarajan. Thank you for this conversation today.
Thank you for the opportunity.
Yeah, and I just wanted to introduce the company first. Like, what do you guys make? What is your product?
Sure. So at AGAM Robotics, we focus mostly on the drone components and subsystems, starting from flight controllers, autopilots, power systems power distribution boards, power modules, and then GNSS solutions, sensors we airspeed sensors, optical flow sensor, which we name it as flow range sensor, and these are the components which goes inside the drone, and we mostly focus as a product company and not as a drone solution provider. We cater to a lot of companies who provide one solution side. That's where we mostly
focus. You look at the electric configuration on the electric side.
Yeah, electronics. It's called avionics of drones or aircraft, which is basically all the electronics which goes on the drone. That's what we mostly focus on.
How do you think your product and your company is contributing in the defense side now? What the drone manufacturing? How is your product contributing?
So a lot of recent development, what we have been stating inquiries, majority of them are coming from defense, but because we are not directly dealing with the defense industry, so a lot of customers who deal with defense is where we deal with. And majority of the cases, we make sure it is not imported from certain restricted countries. And in some cases, there is no other alternative to it, or the alternatives would be 30x, 40x of pricing, where we can't actually spend money on those kind of alternatives. Wherever it is possible, we go with the alternative, which is I would say 4 to 5x the cost. Even though there are cheaper alternatives, we don't go to it. Wherever it is possible, we immediately switch, and we are actively updating our form to replace that restricted countries partition. And in some cases, we can't do it, and there is literally no one can do 100% indigenous or 100% non-Chinese parts. There has to be some percentage which gets included. So that is something which is hard to convince defense that that's how the reality is. But now we give all that complete traceability of where we are manufacturing, where the components are coming from, what is the COC, country of origin, and where it is getting manufactured. All those things we do provide. And once we do it, they are pretty much okay with it, and they accept it. Okay, this is the reality.
So what is the 5-year vision of AGAM Robotics?
We as I said, we focus on components and subsystems. We want to complete the entire ecosystem and become a one-stop solution, wherein we provide end-to-end avionics side of things, and in all verticals. I'm talking about sensors, processors, and communication systems and everything, which is a bit hard at this stage. We are progressing towards that, and every year we are striking off specific sectors, and we are completing that product. We are really excited to strike out more of those kind of sectors. I think by 5 years we would be completing all that end-to-end sector which I was talking about, including all the gimbals, camera systems, communication systems, and everything. I think that's what our core focus is as of now.
So right now the company is headquartered in
Bangalore.
So do you have offices in other?
No, we are very.
That is also the 5-year plan, right?
Yes.
Offices.
We've been also asked by a few of our clients outside of India, office in those countries as well, from US and
Because I think geographically, sometimes people feel it's a problem because technology is so advanced, but people feel geographically it's a constraint. If you're based out of South India, difficult to deal with North India. If you're based out of East, difficult to deal with the West.
Even though the technology has improved, most people want to have that face-to-face discussion. That is where a lot of things actually progress a lot, and that's one of the reasons we also wanted to be in this expo, because it's in Delhi and we haven't come to northern part of India to explore the.
This is the first time displaying.
Yes.
Okay.
No, we did in Hyderabad last year.
But South of India.
South of India, yeah. This is the first time we are actually doing it outside of the southern part of.
And at a Delhi TFC Center, NCR National Capital Region, so you have all the plethora of people and profiles coming here. And how is your experience so far?
The response has been great. A lot of our products, we had 2-3 products exclusive for the expo. We don't put it on our website, some products, and keep it exclusive for the expo, and then put it outside. That it's there in the social media or website or anything. We had good amount of interest coming up on our 2-3 products which was exclusive for the expo. They were really excited and towards. So we are almost in the stage of mass production of those products. So they are like really interested and excited to use our products into that system. We already had like 2-3 sales outside of the expo, and like they were interested. They're like they already bought it, they're already testing it out. So we are like pretty much excited for that.
And does AI also have a lot of role in robotics? Because with the onset of AI, everything is getting done in half time, half the effort, provided you know how to talk to the AI, right? So AI and robotics are very interchangeable. So what is the future of AI and robotics?
It's not the future, it's now. It's happening now. Like we have clients who are using our systems to like integrate with the AI development platforms to do like object tracking or like final target detection or like obstacle avoidance systems and so on. And we are also an NXP ecosystem partner. We are a registered partner which is there on our website and NXP's website. So we are like partnering in developing the AI platforms using NXP's chips like NPU processors, so AI accelerator. Probably in another few months or so we'll be coming with our AI platform which has our products integrated into it, come up as a complete all-in-one solution. Yes. So that's also something like I about it.
So it is wonderful engineering to know your products, your company. Thank you very much. This was Karthik Rangarajan from Aero.
Thank you.